Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. If you're passionate about languages and looking for freelance opportunities, this video is for you. Let's talk about Languages in Motion. They are a leading provider of professional translation and interpreting services. To find online translation job opportunities with Languages in Motion, scroll down until you see the Employment Opportunities button at the bottom of the page. Click on it, and it will take you to a new page where you'll find all the details and procedures for applying. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.